thumbnail. So whether it could be a YouTube thumbnail or a post, a picture basically. So we want to save the slide as a picture, JPG file, GIF file, or PNG file, or TIFF file, any picture format, and going to post it in Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or want to use it as a YouTube thumbnail. Let us see, for example, Facebook requires a different dimension. 1.91 is to 1 is the proportion for Facebook. For Instagram, it is 1 is to 1. That means square. For WhatsApp post, it is, for example, 1080 by 1920 pixels. So like that. For WhatsApp status image, it is 400 pixel by 150 pixel, like that. So let us go and do the YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail requires 16 is to 9. That is 1280 width, for example, 1280 width and 720 height. So that is 16 is to 9. So let us check. Let's go to design tab and see slide size. So let me zoom it. Here widescreen 16 is to 9 is there. So standard is 4 is to 3. PowerPoint standard. So widescreen, this one is used for the YouTube thumbnail. So we can also change to different sizes, custom sizes. So we can choose how many pixels you want, whether it is centimeters or pixels. So for example, on screen show, letter paper, there are so many formats, right? You can choose anything. You can choose, for example, 16 to 9. So we have chosen the size. Now we want to put it something and save it as a picture. So let me insert something. So insert text box. I'm inserting a text box. So let me say a fruit and press Ctrl and drag it. Earlier I said click and drag, but press Ctrl and drag. So that is the right thing. So I'm changing the fruit here. I'm changing it to vegetable here, and here let me say something like some baby. So now I'm changing the format. So I'm taking the font size 60 and bold, and then going to format, and in the text fill, so we can choose the color, whichever color we want, or we can even go for a multicolor. So I'm taking a gradient color. Yeah, we need to select the text fill, go to gradient. You can choose more gradients, for example. So here there is one gradient color, right? So you can choose any gradients. For example, there are 4 gradient stops. We can give 4 colors. So you can see 4 colors in this text. So let me change the color to blue. Second one to, let me say, red or dark red. Third one, say yellow, and fourth one, let's say blue. Okay, first one let me change to some other color. So any colors we can choose like this, or we can also choose the path: linear, radial, rectangle, fruit. Path takes from the center. The first one, blue color, whatever we are given, it comes in the center, like that. So for example, I am copying this format. Click on the home, format, and I am clicking here. Again format painter, click here. So then let me insert one picture. Insert picture. This device, if you have the pictures on your computer, otherwise online pictures from internet. I'm clicking, for example, I'm searching for an apple, and let me take any apple. I'm choosing this one. So I make it smaller. This text I can delete it. Some text came with this. I'm deleting it. I'm making it smaller. The same proportion. To make it smaller or bigger in same proportion, click shift and drag this one any corner. So I'm taking this here. Let us insert a vegetable as well from online pictures. Let me insert any vegetable. Let me say brinjal. I'm searching for it. Okay, let us choose this brinjal. It's downloading. Okay, let me remove this text. Delete this one. I'm making it smaller. Press shift button and make it smaller. Let's say I'm putting this here. I'm moving to here, and let us insert it one baby picture. Online picture, baby. I'm searching, and then I'm choosing any one baby. Okay, it is downloading. It's a big one, right? Let me remove this text. Delete. I'm cropping it. Format, crop, aspect ratio 1:1. I'm making it a square. Okay, so we can move like this. Click. I'm making it smaller, making it even smaller. I'm aligning things. Okay, so if you want, you can even format the pictures. For example, format, choose any format. I'm choosing this one for a shadow. So this one also. For this one, so whichever we want. For example, the circle, or let us take a picture, tilted picture. Okay, so we made a post. So we prepared a post. So let me center it. If you want, we can group them together. So choose everything and Control G. So it came as a single picture, right? So you can move it anywhere you want as a single picture. So now I am saving this as a picture. So choose file, save as, save anywhere you want, select the folder. Then this save as, instead of PowerPoint presentation, choose any of the picture format: GIF, JPEG, PNG, TIFF. PNG is a better format, so I'm choosing the PNG one, and give any name. So let me give thumbnail. I have another same file, so I'm just replacing, and it is asking whether you want to save all slides or just this one. I just want this slide, current slide, as a picture. So I'm clicking here, just this one. So this got saved. So if you click here, this image file got saved, right? So you can upload it as a thumbnail in YouTube.